Good evening everyone. Just thought I'd show you the current job I'm on. I'm driving a Cat 385C, which is quite an old machine now, but it's still a good digger. And we're down at Sheerness Port in Kent doing a bit of dredging. Been there for 3 weeks now. This is the last night shift for me. Well, apart from tomorrow night, I think we're taking it off tomorrow night. But here's a bit of footage from inside the cab. Hope you enjoy it. I'll just show you around the deck of the spud barge that I'm on. We've got a sumo crane on there to lift the spud legs. There's the hopper barge, which holds around about 1600 tonnes of dirt. Spud leg on each side. And there's an anchor that day shift dug out. Quite lucky to pull that up actually. We've got a pile extractor there just in case the spud legs get stuck, but so far they've been okay. There's the old Cat 385C, which is a tidy machine for its age, still a good digger, and which is actually, we've got this machine chained down on this job, something they requested. Better for me if it's not chained down, you can move around, you get more scope for digging. We're digging up alongside the fenders and dolphins where the ships come in. And next job is we're going to push the barge back, so you'll get a bit of an in-cab view of that. Not that you can see much. If you got this far, thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you later in the next video.